Hello friends, today we will do sample letter. Letter to editor. Question. Write a letter to the editor of English newspaper on the issue of a particular road that needs repair. ABC Colony, XYZ City, 22nd October 2021. The editor, The Tribune, XYZ City. Sir. Subject. Request to repair circular road. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of local authorities of Indranagar towards the bad condition of circular road of our country. The road is vital since it links with the national highway. The road is usually in a bad condition which becomes worse during the monsoon, as many mishaps have already occurred within the last few months, and the number might increase if proper action is not taken to repair the road. Hence, through this letter, I would request the concerned authorities to take necessary actions and get the road repaired without any further delay. Thanking you. Yours truly, PQR, a concerned citizen. Thank you, friends.